Makeup tutorial for people with vintage style. If you're a fan of the vintage look, then you know that makeup plays a huge role in completing the overall aesthetic. Whether you're going for a pin-up style, a 1920s flapper look, or a classic Hollywood glam vibe, the right makeup can make all the difference. In this tutorial, we'll take a closer look at some tips and tricks for creating vintage-inspired makeup looks. First things first, let's talk about the importance of a good base. Vintage makeup often features a flawless complexion, so it's important to start with a clean and well-moisturized face. Begin by cleansing your skin with a gentle cleanser and follow up with a hydrating moisturizer. You may also want to apply a primer to help your makeup last longer and create a smooth base. Next, it's time to move on to the foundation. In the past, foundations tended to be heavy and full coverage, so look for a formula that will give you a similar effect. Apply your foundation with a brush or sponge, being sure to blend it well around your hairline, jawline, and neck. If you have any areas that need extra coverage, you can use a concealer to hide blemishes, dark circles, or redness. Once your base is complete, it's time to move on to the eyes. Vintage makeup often features bold and dramatic eyes, so don't be afraid to go all out. Start by priming your lids with an eyeshadow primer, which will help your eyeshadow stay in place and prevent creasing. Next, choose a shade that complements your skin tone and the look you're going for. For a pin-up style, you may want to use a neutral shade like beige or taupe, while a 1920s look may call for a darker, smoky eye. Apply your eyeshadow with a brush, blending it well to create a seamless look. You may also want to add a pop of color to the inner corner of your eyes to make them appear brighter and more awake. Next, line your eyes with a black or brown eyeliner, creating a thick line that extends slightly past the corner of your eye. If you're going for a more dramatic look, you can add false lashes or apply several coats of mascara. Moving on to the brows, vintage makeup often features thick and well-defined eyebrows. Use a brow pencil or powder to fill in any sparse areas, creating a shape that complements your face shape. Be sure to blend the product well, so your brows look natural and not too harsh. Now onto the cheeks. Vintage makeup often features a rosy and natural-looking blush. Use a blush brush to apply a soft pink or peach shade to the apples of your cheeks, blending it well to create a subtle flush. You can also add some highlighter to the high points of your face, such as your cheekbones, brow bone, and the tip of your nose. Last but not least, it's time to complete the look with a bold and classic red lip. Vintage makeup often features a red lip, so it's important to choose the right shade for your skin tone. If you have cool undertones, look for a blue-based red, while warm undertones look best with an orange-based red. Use a lip liner to create a precise outline, and then fill in your lips with your chosen shade of lipstick. Blot your lips with a tissue to remove any excess product, and then apply a second coat for maximum staying power. There you have it, a vintage-inspired makeup look that is sure to turn heads.